I'm Dr. Chaitanya Rao, your sinus doctor. Today I'm going to talk about tips for avoiding mucormycosis infection. Now let us look at some tips on how to avoid mucormycosis infection. Please remember, once you recover from COVID-19 infection, the game is not over. You have to be highly suspicious about the signs and symptoms of mucormycosis which I spoke about. If there is an even iota of a suspicion, please do visit a nearby ENT doctor. The nearby ENT doctor will examine your nose and oral cavity in detail. If he finds anything suspicious, he may perform a CT scan of nose and sinus or perform a nasal endoscopy. While performing the endoscopy or in OPD, if he finds anything suspicious, he may ask for an MRI scan or perform a biopsy. And in the meantime, by the time results come, he may advise you to use nasal rinses and nebulization with antifungals. Now, please remember, early diagnosis and treatment is very crucial for patients to survive after having mucormycosis. Now, the diabetics who recovered from COVID-19 infection or under treatment for COVID-19 must be very vigilant about their blood sugar levels. They should monitor their blood sugar levels regularly. If there is an elevation in the blood sugar levels, they should immediately meet their physician, endocrinologist or diabetologist and get the sugar levels back to normal. Now, there are many patients who are diabetics but do not know that they are diabetics, or who turn to be diabetics during the COVID-19 infection. Now, these patients should undergo a test called HbA1c. HbA1c determines how well your sugar levels have been maintaining for the last 3 months. If HbA1c is more than 8, then anti-diabetic treatment must be initiated. Now, there are few patients who are under quarantine or who are undergoing home treatment for the COVID-19 as their symptoms are low. Now, these patients take oxygen. You can see a clear tube next to your oxygen cylinder, which is known as the humidifier. Please make sure you use only distilled water in this humidifier. Make sure that there is no leakage of the distilled water from the humidifier, and also keep changing the distilled water repeatedly because the mucormycosis can grow in these damp areas. Now, during the second wave of COVID-19, if one person in the family becomes positive, there is a good chance that the rest of the family members are also positive. Now, this first patient sincerely visits the doctor and gets the treatment. The rest of the family members, on turning positive, copy the prescription of the first patient and use steroids and other drugs without proper supervision and without proper consultation. This is very dangerous. Although there may be few drugs which are similar between him and you, always the doctor will examine you and will customize the medicine based on the need for you. So please do not buy medicines over the counter and use it. This will lead to a lot of problems for you. Maintain good hand hygiene. Strictly avoid nose picking. Always prefer rooms which have a lot of sunlight coming in and good cross ventilation. Also, please remember, COVID-19 is reducing your immunity to a great level. So you have to keep having immunity boosting foods. So you have to prefer 4 to 5 portions of colored fruits, vegetables, Take foods which are high in protein like eggs, meat, fish, whatever you like. Take healthy fats like those found in walnuts, pecans, peanuts, or even olive oil. And if it is possible for you, do some minimal regular physical activity. All of these will boost your immunity. So by following these simple tips and being very vigilant, you can avoid the mucormycosis infection, and even if it happens to you, you can come out of it safely. Thank you. Namaste.